We will use command prompt to enable Internet Information Services, but the thing is we have to run command prompt as administrator. So click on Run as Administrator. When the command prompt opens, enter this following command. I have given this command in the description and you can also find it in our website in the article. We will use dism command to enable IIS feature on Windows 11 using command prompt, and also like if you are using Windows servers, you can use the same command to enable this feature on Windows Server editions. The no restart flag makes sure the system doesn't restart right away. However, the restart is essential. Alright, now as per the command, the DISM management tool started enabling this feature on Windows 11. So let's wait for the process to complete and it might take some time. Let's fast forward the video. The process is now completed and Internet Information Services is now enabled on your Windows 11, and if you are using the same command on your Windows Server, then IIS is now enabled. The latest version at the time of this video is version 10.0, and you can cross verify it by going to the Windows features and you can just find out that Internet Information Services is enabled. In the next method, we will use Windows PowerShell to enable IIS. As mentioned before, we will have to run PowerShell as administrator. So click on Run as Administrator. In the PowerShell, enter the following command. You can find this command in the description of this video, and you can also find it in the article mentioned in the website. This command will enable Internet Information Services using PowerShell. Once you type all the command, you can click enter to execute the command. Now the PowerShell will install the necessary feature. In our case, it's Internet Information Services, and here you will be prompted for a restart. You can choose yes or no. The default option is yes. However, I am going with no, so that because I'm making this video and I don't want the system to restart. And here you can see the restart needed, the value is true. That means this changes requires a restart, so please make sure to restart your system after you complete all the process.